ultra spacious ocean view balcony. This is number 11172. This actually sleeps 6. So we are going in. Let's look at the bathroom first. And we've got a standard bathroom here with the capsule shower, just like a regular room, one vanity, and our lovely throne. Then we have 2 bunk beds here that you can sleep 2 additional folks in here. It's really good for families. It's up to 6 people. And then this will kind of close off if you want to. And then you come in here further. It's got a nice wardrobe, TV. This room is spaced on par with like a junior suite, but you have the double sofa bed here with the trundle, a nice good sized balcony. This is a really good size room and a perfect option for larger families. If you don't want to get connecting cabins or side-by-side cabins, this is an option for you. However, you know, you only get the 1 bathroom with this cabin. There's your vanity area. And this is a spacious ocean view balcony on Utopia of the Seas.